another workout, and you can pump the head, just like that. They can backwards and walk straight on their feet. So right here in the Philippines, vaporums can only be found. Can you dance over in the song? Starts with the letter T. Beautiful item. Yes, sir, po. Palawan. That's 1-0. Sir, das. Palawan. Okay, once again, I'll be here for you. Our vaporum center, also known as Palawan Bearcat.
Ano kaya dadaan?
Okay, go, sir. Let's make the fight to you now. Palawan! You are correct. The girls always line up. So by the way, the client is our giant breakfast. Well, let's say giant because this is one of the largest bats in the world. When they're going to the wisdom of I get something. Okay, so back up. Those on each foot. 4 fingers, so those delicate and stretching weeks. That is what we call cast. So we don't need to act like a Brazilian children to make their voices so loud. Workers are quite chatty, their cold French from deep from the sound. Raised like a donkey, ticks, bellows, and carrots. Well, I know it's hard to see, but one day, there's silang eyelashes. You take a look. Let's make them very cute and sexy. Well, miners can make their fruits, insects, and other smaller animals, and their beak is quite handy that they can grab fruits from trees just like our fingers. So if you know it, sure it. Okay, let's big enough that you can cut this meal in mid-air, just like this. Okay, well, once again, the one is going our Northern Rules Oranges. Because Melanie is there with it. Like sometimes. Parang hirap, diba? Well, take out mo ID. Wala silang lupa. So the eyes are always open, even if you're sleeping. But it is protected by the transparent steel wall. That's the tail. And I think you see that really all happen.
Kasi pag nakita ka niya, tingnan mo.
So most people think snakes are slippery and slimy. Are they? No. Hindi na. Sagot na lang. Who says snakes are slippery and slimy? Raise your hand. Okay, last 1, 2, 48. 48 yun. Okay, about smooth and dry. Smooth and dry. 300. About, I don't know. No idea at all. Okay, mga nasasang mula. Salata na lang. So, I keep the brave volunteers. Not me, just to figure out. Okay, well, somebody big hand for our brave volunteers. Parang kaon na tayo. Okay, dito po tayo. Kapatid tayo. Parang lang, Dr. What is your name? Kian. Sige, Ma'am Kian. Sino kasama niya, Ma'am Kian? You're funny. Okay, how about the next way? Go to hi. Alright, finally, any last word for her? What am I doing? Of course, you're only kidding. Come on, the first question. Okay, touching the touch of the tail, just like this. Okay, two hands on the right hand, hold. And that means that you have 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ready? Okay, right hand side. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, next, ito po tayo sa gitna. Matapang si ma'am. Mas kinakabahan yung konti na. Okay, next, I want you to go on this body from here. Your hands down to the table. Okay, ready? Last time, ma'am. Your hands, ito. Ayan, pababa. Oh, parang hindi naman takot si ma'am. Oh, very nice. Okay, next. I want you to touch the egg. Yes, trainer. What? Hindi ko siya kumakain. For no. Ma'am, 4 years and 3 weeks. Are you up to it? Okay, wala ka ng no choice. Sige ma'am, lapit ko muna tayo dito. Kayo? Okay, you have to work with the trainer here. All you have to do is raise your hand, just like that. And at the count of 3, touch the head slowly and... Okay, folks, bilang tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, touch the head. Ayan. Hindi naglag. Pataas. Ano yan? Ilagay ng sinigaw. Okay, let's try it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, and... Trainer, okay na yun? Okay, very good. Okay, sabi tayo, ma'am.